Click-through rate CTR plays a very vital role in the sales of your Amazon product. If the CTR is broken, nothing is going to work as effectively. Even your PPC is not going to work as effectively as it could. But how to know if your CTR is broken? Of course, you have an option to check the CTR on advertising console, but that is for ads traffic only. What about the organic traffic? How to know the CTR for organic traffic? For conversion rate, you have an option to check business reports and you have unit session percentage there. But for CTR for organic traffic, you have no tool unless you rely on any third-party tool. So let me tell you about a tool available inside Seller Central itself, which is going to show you the CTR for your product, from where you can decide how it is going for your organic traffic. Let me share my screen. Okay, so you need to simply click on the menu, then brands, and then brand analytics. Once you go there, you have to go in the search analytics and then search catalog performance. Once you click on here, it is going to show you all the products here inside. But in case you want to check any specific SN, you can simply search the brand, category, and the SN. You can do that as well. But for now, all the products are listed here as well. Now you see here the impression, you see here the price, the click, and all the data you are seeing here is only for the search result page. Look at this. This dashboard shows how customers interact with your brand's products throughout the search shopping journey. So it is not going to show you the data for the product detail pages, for your appearance on the product detail pages actually. But this data you see, so 6,978 times your product, this item appeared in the search result page, 50 times it got clicked, and the CTR is 0.72. Well, it depends. The CTR depends product to product, but for this item I have analyzed that we can go up to more than 1%. So we are fixing the CTR for this item, and to fix the CTR we have 3 things to work on. Number 1 is your thumbnail, your main image. I keep saying this has to stop the scroll, and this should make it very clear what is the product and who is it for. And if possible, if you can put key selling point or your main keyword on the main image while being compliant to Amazon policies, it is super good. Then the second part is the first 80 characters of your title. Of course, you should work on SEO, and the main keywords should be there. And the best part, it should also make it very clear what is the product and who is it about. And then third is the pricing structure. Yeah, that is also going to play a vital role in your CTR. So fix your pricing structure. If you fix these 3, your CTR is going to improve. And in case you need any help from my side, just reach out to anup@zenith.com. I'm happy to help you with your CTR.